Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is back with a brand new tech unboxing video for you guys once again. Now today we're going to be unboxing the Apple AirPods 3s. Of course I am a couple months late. I've tried to get them out pretty much, when they first came out, but due to complications and shipping handling, we got them today finally. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into the video, unbox these bad boys, because it's time to put these, the second generation, but these are actually the first generations, time to put these things in the past. Let's go to get straight into the video, you guys. But before we do that, please make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn notification bells on for some more content exactly like this, and make sure you like the video. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and talk some information about the Apple AirPods 3. Of course, these are going to be the brand new pods right here, and they come with the Apple's MagSafe charger inside of here as well. So we do got a MagSafe right here that we're going to open up. No, I did not buy these for the AirPods. I just bought this because I lost my first MagSafe charger, but I found it in some school unboxing stuff I had, so we'll unbox these as well. But let's get it straight into it. This got pull tabs on here like that. Not for sure why we got them. Oh, well, the plastic is going, duh. Let's take this off right here. And of course, we got our documentation right here, the AirPods, manual, good stuff like that we normally would have. More documentation. Look, we have no sticker in here this time, though. That sucks. But yeah, no sticker. Okay. All right. Yes, they said nobody uses them. And then, of course, we got the Apple AirPods 3. Let's just see what's under here right quick just to confirm. Cool, we got us another USB, I'm sorry, not a USB, but a lightning cable that's under here as well for a case. Oh, cool, and this is actually powered by USB-C instead of the lightning cord, so, or am I wrong? Wait a minute, am I tripping? Oh, this is still lightning cable. I seen the USB-C, and I seen the iPad, it is USB-C, USB-C. Thought that's how that was. So let's go and put the documentations back up in here right quick. We got the main thing all taken care of, the Apple AirPods 3s. Those are all out right here. And let's go ahead and take this little plastic off of here. I think so. We can take that up. Yeah, here we go. Wow, I forgot how good brand new AirPods really feel. Apple AirPods 3 is exactly right here, man. A very small, sleek design for sure. Definitely will say that. Great thing about this is that it has a brand new battery inside of here. So this is going to provide us with like 30 hours of listening time, or either 20 hours of talk time, depending on which one you want to use. You do have to choose one of them. No, you can't do 20 hours and get 10 hours of talk time, I believe so, but you may, who knows, they always got something. These AirPods, the first generation, they barely die on me, honestly. They strong battery pack in them, but I was like, I want something different, because these do have a different design, of course. So let's open those up. These are kind of sort of looking like the Apple AirPod Pros, which cost at least around like $250. So I was like, I ain't buying that one. Really didn't care about, some of the features that they did have in it. But yeah, man. So I just gotta make sure it's not connected to my phone while we record the video. Let me double check that right quick. Yeah, they were definitely trying to connect to the phone up there, unfortunately. So what we may go ahead and do is go grab the iPad right quick, and we'll set it up on there. So we'll be right back. Got an iPad out here. Let's hopefully, see if this will work right here for us right quick. Put this thing to the side. Let's open it up and see. Should be straight. Very quick connectivity, honestly. Oh wow. I gotta upgrade the iPad before I can actually hook these things up. Dang, 15.2. Oh man, so we gotta update our iPad before we can even do anything else. So I guess while we wait for the iPad to update, because they probably won't get done for a long time, to get set up, but we'll include that in the video before, getting this all finished up. I can't believe I didn't have 15.2 uploaded, but yeah, let's go ahead and talk more of AirPods. Like I said, now these things, they do have a different battery in them. Comparing them to the Apple AirPod Pros, the Pros actually get you up to like 4.5 hours of listening time per charge. This right here is actually going to get you 6 hours instead. So that was one of the things that really got me leaning towards, getting the 3s instead of pretty much buying the Pros. Also, Cost efficiency wise, I believe the Pros are $250. These start off at $179 as of today's date of the time of recording. However, I did get mine for like $159 because they were on sale during Christmas time. So yeah, I mean, they was really, you know, a good book. My iPad is updating quickly, so we may be able to get that in real quick. But yeah, man, so this is updating like that. The price is constantly updating. You may, I mean, of course, you may not get it for $159 again, but you will be able to catch a, you know, better deal than you will on the Pros. Now these also do come with the spatial audio as well, so you know that's a new feature that Apple has recently released a couple months ago. I believe they may have actually released it during the time that they're actually talking about these Apple AirPods as well. The spatial audio, where it's like instead of it's just coming straight into your ears, it's going to come from like, you can hear from the top, sides, down below, you know, the angles, the 90-degree angles and everything. So definitely can tell the difference between that, and I cannot wait to test these out, you know, listen to some music, you know, compare them to the old pods versus the new pods as well. Now some more things as well about this. It looks like they finally upgraded the I can't even say finally, because the Pros were out before the 3s, which doesn't make that much sense to me, but I feel like these should be like the Pros, and then the Pros should actually be like the second version, you know, like the 3s basically, but whatever. But whatever to that. Yeah, man, so like I said, we got the MagSafe as well, so let's go ahead and open up the MagSafe and make sure that that's all checking out for us, and make sure we actually do got some MagSafe connectivity, which of course we will. But okay, I forgot to actually take the MagSafe charger out of the case. Like I was like, we're gonna have to rip it open, but yeah, we can just slide it open. So take these right here and just smack it on here like that, and yeah, I guess yeah, it don't fall, so it ain't falling, it's on there. So yeah, I guess that was true right there. But like I said, I mean, the connectivity wise is very strong. This video isn't going to be that long either, because I mean, it's Apple AirPods. I mean, you can't really be upset with it. I mean, yeah, battery life, yeah, they got other wireless pods that may sound just a tad bit better, you know, with longer battery life. But I mean, like, if you're somebody like me, I don't care about any other brand. I'm going to buy Apple no matter what, just because they're a trusted brand. Now, like Samsung, I personally never owned a Samsung device yet, but I have been taking a look at, you know, obtaining the Android just for certain uses, and you know, just to see what the competitors are really, you know, offering out versus Apple. So who knows what we will do, you guys. But yeah, man, that's all we got for today's video. The Apple AirPods 3. I would definitely say that I personally would recommend these over getting, you know, the Pro, just because I mean, it's very cheap. You get the same thing pretty much. Only thing you don't obtain in here is just going to be like the active noise cancellation and transparency mode, but who cares, you know? Everything else is pretty much the same thing that's in here. That's just my personal opinion. If you want to go ahead and do active noise cancellation, I would go ahead and just jump to getting the AirPods, the Apple AirPods. I don't even know what I call them, AirPods, but the Max. Go ahead and get those things, you know, spend $500 on some active noise cancellation and call it a day. But other than that, you guys, like I said, that's all we got for today's video. Until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.